Welcome to this technical guide on the HP Pavilion 14ba001ns. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're watching this, your HP Pavilion 14ba001ns has a damaged screen, making it difficult to see anything clearly. This issue can arise from accidental drops or pressure on the screen, leading to cracks or black spots. If left unaddressed, it can worsen over time, potentially affecting other components of your laptop and resulting in a costly repair. To complete this repair, you will need a few tools. Gather a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a suction cup, and a replacement LCD panel. Make sure you have a clean workspace and some soft cloths to prevent scratches. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Place your HP Pavilion on a flat surface and carefully use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover. Start at one corner and work your way around gently to avoid breaking any clips. Once the cover is off, locate the LCD panel, which is typically secured by screws along the edges. Remove these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, taking care to keep them in a safe place. Now, gently lift the LCD panel away from the frame, but remember to disconnect the cables attached to the back. These cables can be delicate, so handle them with care. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the old panel is removed, take your new LCD panel and connect the cables, ensuring they are securely attached. Then, place the new panel into the frame and align it properly. Replace the screws you previously removed, tightening them gently to avoid damaging the new panel. Finally, reattach the back cover by aligning it with the clips and pressing down firmly until it clicks into place. Power on your laptop to check if the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, your repair is complete. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider using a sturdy laptop case or sleeve, and avoid placing heavy objects on top of your laptop. Always be cautious when handling your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.